Yeah, this is just a video of my dog. Just posted the making of Peter Boy. Ivy is here. Ivy! Ivy, you're being recorded. She can't talk, but she is super duper cute, isn't she? Don't forget to like and subscribe. But for today's video, or today's second video, I am gonna be playing with my dog. Basically just out in the back garden. I should be making a short soon, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. But Ivy is super duper cute. She's got a super duper power up, or whatever you call it, Super Mario power up. She's got a super duper power up for let's just say crapping around the back garden or taking big doo-doos. And yeah, there's a wasp over there, so we are going to stay away from there. Or yeah, please don't sting me. Whatever. So Ivy Doggy is here. Wasp is over there. You can't see it. It's hiding. I've got a wasp nest somewhere in my back garden, for all I know. Wasps keep appearing. So there's a wasp nest somewhere around there. That's not good. That's it. It's just around the block. And then we got Ivy here, who is just waiting patiently for me to come and pet her or stroke her belly. Oh yes, doggy. Oh yes, doggy. Oh doggy dogger. Doggy flogger. Sorry for the way I sound. I just really love my dog. I really love my dog. You really love your dog. She's super duper cute, isn't she? Oh yes. PT love you. PT love you. PT love. Oh, look at her. She's got a paw in my hand. And will you have a look at that? That's even more cuter. I'm going to make a bunch of views of this dog. No, I'm joking. I haven't mass-produced videos about a family member of mine. I'm not that cruel. Come. See, this is her going for a... no, Ivy, get away from the fence. Dad's painting it. Get away from it. Get away from it, little doggy. Little doggy, little doggy. Get up. Go away from... Hold on. I'm uploading anymore, am I? Well, it's not surprising. I have weekly breaks. Ivy, come. Oh, wait, no. That's where the wasp nest is. You want to see the wasp nest? I'm not showing you it. Bunch of wasps flying around there. I got stung by one earlier. I ripped the stinger out, and it was not nice. Not nice. It was right in my hand. You can't see the scar, can you? I don't know. Genuinely, you can't see the scar, can you? Sure, you do get scars from wasps. But yeah, I did see a tiny little line, or whatever, on it earlier. So clearly, it's magically disappeared. Whoa, whoa! Oh God. But yeah. Oh God. Whatever. We are gonna try a little bit of Ivy-anating. If I can find her toy, you can play with her. Oh, hi, Dad.
Hi, Peter.
You okay?
Yeah.
No, still not. I'm still kind of sick because of the throat thing. Do you know what it is? All right, you don't know what it is. If you do find out what it is, then can you tell me? Thanks. Right, there's Ivy's corn. So just yapping about us for minutes on end before we get to the fun part of the video. Don't mind. Right. Fetch! Fetch. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Beat it. Ivy, 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 Ivy. Oh, look, a butterfly. Oh, wait, you missed it. Other viewers missed it. Sorry, viewers. Yeah, Petey. Can you let Petey grab it? No. No, she's not ready. She's not ready. She's not ready to let me have it. Who is that?
Ivy.
I've got 2 questions.
Ivy.
Who is,
Yeah.
Come? She just does it. Yes, come on. Come on. And... No, not down that way. Wasp nest. And fetch! Oh, well, it was a... I won't show my dad's face in it. He said he doesn't want his face in any of my videos. No, I respect that. So I'm sorry, I'm just trying to keep him. You can hear his voice if you want. But yeah, I'm not showing you his face, neither am I showing you my face. You viewers. I know that most of you are just kids, but the Liam subscriber is a French guy. I like the French, but who knows? Pedophiles everywhere. Alright, Fetch. Oh god. Fetches it out of the air. Super dog does whatever a super dog does. Does she bark a hell? Oh wait, you missed another butterfly. Does she bark a lot? Yes, she does. Look out! Whatever. Look out! Oh god. Oh god. You see this giant one? Oh wait, no, I'm gonna get splinters from that. I once ripped out a splinter right out of my finger. So I was playing with one of my friends with this one bit. It had splinters on it. Got a splinter on my finger, ripped it out. Ba-bang! It kind of hurt, but gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, don't you, Dad? Yes, this is the fence. Hey, Dad, what is that game you're playing? What's the game you're playing?
Rise of Castles.
Rise of Castles. I think I've heard of that. It's more like a mobile game. And of course, the doggy is back on camera. Yes, are you ready? You ready? You ready? Are you ready? You ready, little doggy? Are you ready? So you ready? Yeah, sorry, she doesn't know what cameras is. Cameras, oh god. I want to stick a fight with her. Of me throwing up her chew toy up on the thing, up on the counter. She went for it. She was like, "Ooh, whoosh, whoosh up there, jump up, big arc." I can show you the exact location where it happened. Exactly here did she do it, and here she is. Yes, don't worry. BT was just telling the viewers something. Oh, good. For me, my final dance. Oh, God. Sting. Ah. Fluff. I wonder where that came from. Sauce. I'm just making random jokes up to get you. I'm not sure if this video is keeping you entertained, but it definitely is keeping me entertained. Do you know what? I'm gonna take a picture of her. Come on, Ivy. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the dashboard. Look at the camera. Oh, well. And she's kind of showing it. And she's enjoying it. Yay, hooray. Ivy's enjoying something. Ivy, you ready? Ivy, you ready? Is you ready? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Alright, yeah, I can't get it to look at the camera. Sorry, Dad. Look at her. Oh, look at her. Ivy, come. Go on, up. Go on. Come. 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 Go on. Go on. Ivy, come. Ivy, come. Come. Ivy, come. Come. Alright, yeah, she's just lying on her. Right, let me zoom in a bit. Let's get a better look at her. And kaboom. Yeah, I didn't manage to take the photo, but yeah, that's okay. So let's get close up to her. And then we can take... Oh, God. Well, I have to take a video off. I have to take a photo after the video. Watch her. Yes, she's ready. She's ready for PT call. Fetch! Wait, she's working here to take her. I might give her a little help. Here. She's 1.5 years old, or 18 months. Technically she's a teenager, but she's got 10 years left. She'll probably die around the time I go to high school. I mean, the time I've left this wonderful house. And have hopefully became a popular filmmaker and YouTuber. Just keep our fingers crossed. Keep our fingers crossed, shall we? Keep our fingers crossed. Anyway, it's your first time seeing this. Why don't you chillax and enjoy my channel? I work really hard on the videos. A bit of like and a sub, shall ya? You should, basically, because I'm a small content creator. And every little helps. Every little helps. Right. Anyways, that is the end of today's video. And I get a cute picture of Ivy. Oh, yeah, I just took the photo. Anyways, thank you for watching. And drill this drill! Because it doesn't work.